Welcome aboard this beautiful 2006 Nordic Tug 32, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Nordic 32 is a classic trawler-style cruiser known for its rugged build, efficient performance, and timeless lines. From the moment you see her at the dock, you'll notice the signature Nordic tug profile. High bow, sturdy rub rails, and a pilot house that promises adventure. Boarding is easy from the integrated swim platform or from the side decks. Stepping aboard takes us into a cozy aft cockpit, perfect for morning coffee or casting a line. Climb the stainless ladder to the upper deck, where you'll find a spacious deck with commanding views. There's room for deck chairs or a dinghy. It's a great spot for sunset cruising or stargazing. Wide, secure side decks with high stainless steel rails make moving forward safe and easy. At the bow, you'll find a robust ground tackle setup, including an electric windlass, robust anchor roller, and deep anchor locker, ready for serious cruising. Heading inside through the aft door, we enter the saloon. Bright, airy, and finished in rich teak. Large windows flood the space with natural light. To starboard is a comfortable settee that converts to a double berth. To port is the galley, compact yet fully equipped. You'll find a propane stove and oven, a deep stainless steel sink, and a refrigerator and freezer. Ample storage in the galley makes meal prep underway a breeze. Forward and to starboard is the Helm, one of the Nordic Tug's standout features, with a wide range of electronics including radar, GPS, autopilot, and VHF, plus excellent visibility all around, This is a true piled house cruiser. The side door provides quick access to the deck for docking or line handling. Engine access is beneath the Saloon sole. The engine room is clean, well lit, and thoughtfully laid out for maintenance. Down a few steps we enter the private forward stateroom, a generous V-berth with filler cushions offering comfortable sleeping and includes hanging lockers, drawers, and overhead hatches for light and air. To starboard, the head features a marine toilet, molded sink, and a separate shower stall, a rare luxury in a boat of this size. With her seaworthy design, economical operation, and cozy accommodations, she's ready for your next adventure, whether that's a weekend getaway or the Great Loop. To book your appointment to view this Nordic Tug 32, contact Little Yacht Sales.